Hi everybody, this is Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. I'm actually at my mom's house in St. Augustine. Today is the 11th, Sunday, my birthday. Anyway, so I wanted to do this project share because I made it for my mom for Christmas and I forgot to make a video. So say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Say hi, Sarah.
Hello.
Okay, Dad just walked by, but he didn't say hi. Anyway, okay, so this is a lace book, not a doily, but a lace. There is 9 layers here in all, but it's not as thick as a doily book. This love sequence I bought, I don't know, off of a website somewhere, but I know they don't sell them anymore. So anyway, this is what I made, and I've made a video on this where I've made only one page, but I added extra pages to this, and I'll link the one page and let you watch the video. So there's dangles and lace and quite a bit of lace and appliques. They came from all over the place. So let's open it. So here it is. Let's see, Sarah. Sarah's helping me videotape. Thank you, Sarah. So this has a pocket. Each side has a pocket, and then this is my oldest brother, James. So this is his picture. How old is he here, you think, Mom?
I don't know. 2.
2. And then the next page is my older brother, Johnny. I'm going in order as the kids were born. And I think he is a little bit younger. He looks
About 1-ish.
yeah. And there's a pocket here. And then the next page, there is a pocket here and a pocket behind this wedding applique. And I got this from Michelle, a friend of mine. She mails me wedding dresses every now and then, and I love it. She finds them for like $20 to $30. And this is me. And so I'm the 3rd child. And then here is my next brother. And here is a double doily, 2 different doilies pocket, and there's that one. And then here is my sister, the 5th child, Mary,
In color.
and she's in color. She's 9 years younger than me, but right now I'm younger than her because I'm only 29 today. Again, there's a wedding applique and a pocket, and then here's the back with a pocket. And it's a good place to put love letters from each child or money. The end of the strings, I put little hearts and all. So there's my project share. I hope you like it. And do you like it, Mom?
Yeah, and go back to your picture.
Oh, my Lord.
That
Why?
was the picture of Leigh that I sent into a magazine.
Oh, my Lord.
And she won, and they published it.
I won what?
Just notoriety that you were put in a magazine.
Okay.
No
Yay!
money.
I'm popular. I have YouTube.
There she is.
All right.
In all her glory.
Oh, thank you. Anyway, embarrassing. Anyway, so I hope you like it. So there you go. I'll put the link down below of how to do the one page, and all I did was then glue in the second page. This is just glued each page together, and that's how you make them. It's just felt and layering of lace and trims. So, but the link will be down below of the other tutorial, and all my links are down below. But thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.